Welcome in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Regional Office, Jabalpur. E-content for class 12th. Subject Informatics Practices. Under Unit 1, Data Handling using Pandas Part 1. Today we will discuss attributes in data frame. Discuss here data frame attributes. So data frame attributes, first data frame object, we have to write data frame object dot attribute name, so it will give the some value. New student, here we have written a colon 67, b colon 78, c colon 75, d colon 88, e colon 95. Means we have given here key and values and dictionaries. One more dictionary is there and one more, three dictionaries are there. And we are writing new df pt dot data frame new student index x comma y comma z. So we have created one data frame. Its index are x y z, and the column index it has taken by the key values of the dictionaries, and the values are there 67, 78, 75, 88, 92. Here a 77, b 58, 87, 65, and there is no e value, so it has come na nan. Now 88, here no b value is there in this third one, so it has come nan. When we write new df dot index, you want to show the new df dot index, return index of the data frame. So index x comma y comma z, this is the output. Next attribute is columns. Return columns labels of the data frame. We write that same dictionary, then data frame new students, new df dot columns, data frame name dot columns. Output is indexes a comma b comma c comma d e. These are the column indexes. Output is this. Third one is axis. Return a list representing both the axes. Here we write new df dot axis. It will give the answer index x comma y comma z. D type, here d type is written and index a comma y comma c b c d e, means both the indexes, both the axis indexes it will show. Next is d type. Return the data type. Data type, you can see the program is this one, and a int 64, b float 64, c int 64, d int 64, and e 60 int float 64. You can see here we have taken all these in a integers, and but here a is int 64 but b is float 64 or e is float 64. We have given all the values in integer only, but it is showing the float and b and c, because in b one nan is there, and in e is also one nan is there. That's why it is giving the data type of it float 64. Data frame attribute new is empty. Data frame dot empty indicates whether data frame is empty or not. It will give true or false. Suppose this data frame is new data frame is there, it's not empty, it has some values, so it will give the false. Suppose we created a data frame, empty data frame, and when we apply this attribute, it will give the answer true. Next is ndim. Number of axes or array dimension. It will give the number of axes and array dimensions. New df dot ndim. Answer will be here 2. 2 dimensions are there. 2 dimension x and y. Next is dot t. T means transpose index and columns. it will transpose the index and column, means interchange the value of index and columns. So new df dot t we can write here, and it will give the answer xyz are the here row index, it become the column index, and the values of all these are like that, and these are a b c d e are the column index, it become the row indexes here. Next three we can say new df dot size, new df dot shape, and new df dot values. So new df is a data frame name. So name dot attribute size attribute is there, its size is 15. You can see here 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Next is new df dot shape 3 rows and 5 columns, means 3 comma 5. New df dot values, so it will give all the values here like that. Thank you very much. This is one assignment. I hope you will do it. Thank you.